Hey, this is Jason Robinson from Illustration by Design. This is a really short video. It's going to be an unboxing for, I think, it's my um, replacement copy of Jawbreakers. Is it Jawbreakers? I think so. I'm not sure. Um, I believe it's Jawbreakers by Richard C. Meyer and John Malin. I had gotten my first copy several weeks ago, actually, but it had come damaged. So Richard was notified of this by a lot of people, including myself, and he very graciously said that he would send us replacement copies and for anyone who had damaged books. So I think this is it. So I'm going to open it now. I'm trying to tear it. And I believe this is one of the Gemini mailers. That the original book came in a brown envelope, unprotected, really. So it got scuffed up and bashed around quite a bit during mailing. So I think this is Gemini mailer, which are usually, yep, Gemini, bam, right there, which are great for mailing comic books. They're very efficient. They protect the book from damage. As you can see here on the corners, it got beat up during mailing, but the inside where the comic book is sitting is not even touched because the damage, didn't hit the area, the interior sort of box that protects the comic book. So that's why Gemini mailers are so good, as opposed to other mailers where, if they get bashed in the corner, the comic book, which often is in the corner, gets bashed as well. So, yeah, this is much better. I'm assuming this is, ooh, look, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is really cool. Unlike the first version of that was sent of Graveyard Shift, there was no plastic wrapping to protect it from water if it got wet. And this looks really good. I'm not gonna. Well, I guess I should take it out. So this is good. Corners are all very sharp. Very nice. No water damage. Looks good. Looks very good. Corners all sharp. Very cool. Let me peel this off. Slice it gently so it doesn't cut through this cardboard. That's sort of protecting it. Let's see. Get it gently, gently. Ah! Yep. Jawbreakers. Lost Souls. Awesome. Gently. Alright. Let's see. Yep. And peel off the little chipboard cover. Yep. Beautiful. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, it feels so nice. That's like almost like a velvety texture. It's not like it's kind of velvety, like I don't know. It's hard to describe. It feels really nice. Very, very nice texture to the cover, and yeah, it's in perfect condition. Beautiful, perfect. So your boy Zach did good. He made good on his promises to deliver a beautiful book. That and signed Richard C. Meyer on the inside. Very cool. Thank you very much, Zach. Yeah, Richard has done an A+ job with this book in terms of not just in making the book, writing it and everything, and having really good production with it being made, but also in dealing with customer complaints, issues with the mailing. He could have just said, tough luck, you know, you bought the book, too bad if it got damaged in the mail. He didn't do that. He did the exact opposite. He did what you're supposed to do when there are issues with a book that the customer has. Um, he addressed them immediately. He addressed them politely. He didn't yell at the customers. He's very apologetic and very quick to resolve the issue to customer satisfaction. And that is exactly what, you know, any seller of any product should do. Something that Marvel and DC are not doing right now. So, Richard, thank you very much. Um, you know, um, I was somewhat public about, you know, my problems with the mailing, so I want to be very public about my gratitude and how well you did in terms of addressing the issue and solving it. And you've been A plus, you know, and in terms of addressing this. And you know, you've earned my respect and my loyalty in terms of being a customer. And I think you more than earned everyone who has bought this book and was expecting great things from you. I think you've earned all their respect. So thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing more great things from you, more great books, and more great commentary. So thank you very much, Zach, your boy. We appreciate it. You guys take care. I will probably do a live stream tonight, doing some sort of drawing. So anyway, you guys take care, and hopefully, if you order this, you will be getting. You've already gotten your copy, and hopefully it came in great shape. And if not, then hopefully you'll have gotten your replacement copy soon. Okay? You guys take care. Bye.